This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, yesterday we discussed about data transforms. Theoretically, we discussed about data transforms. Okay, practically, we will discuss whatever options are available in a data transforms. Those options practically I will show you next 3 days. Okay, data transforms examples. Okay, example one. Say, you will practice it, right? Whatever assignments we discussed, 13 examples by using data transforms. Activities, whatever we practiced, same examples we will practice in data transforms, right? With the data transforms. Everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, okay, example one. Whatever options we discussed yesterday, practically we discuss now. Example one is the bank name. Okay, in case if I enter bank name ICICI, rate of interest, okay, rate of interest, loan amount, okay, loan amount, processing fees, okay, processing fees, two, loan amount, okay, 20 lakhs, and 13 13%. Okay, bank name equal to ICICI. SBI 12 30 lakhs, processing fees 1. Okay, HDFC, okay, 11, okay, 40 lakhs and 2%, 2. Okay, other than any bank, other than any bank, 14%, okay, 25, and processing fees 3. Okay, 3. Sir, okay, when I'm going to change the bank name at that time, automatically, okay, now I need to get these values. If I enter SBI, okay, these are the details need to populate. If I enter HDFC, these are the details need to populate. Okay, if I enter this one, these are the details need to populate. Okay, next one. Same. Okay, this scenario, I think so many places you observed also. See, when you are filling any online application form, or else when you are ordering something, or when you are filling your details at that time, your current address. Okay, your current address, address line 1, okay, address line 2, okay, address line 3, okay, state name, okay, state name, country name, okay, postcode. Is it current and permanent? Address same. Yes and no. Okay. I want to copy. Okay, I want to copy here. Permanent address. Okay. In case if you're whatever data you are entering here, if you click on yes, okay, I want to copy. No, user will enter manually. Okay. This is the common example. You people observed also. Okay. When you are filling any online form at that time, you will get some options. You see, even when you are booking a ticket, Okay, red bus, Rabi bus, two-way. A two-way journey at that time. Return ticket when you are booking with the same transaction. At that time, we will get one option. Do you want to copy? Okay, do you want to copy the details from two journey? See, we will get the options. Okay, all the details automatically it will copy into your return journey. Same details, whatever passenger details you entered, all the details automatically it will copy into your return journey. Whatever you entered for two journey, all the details it will copy. Similar type of requirements. Okay. Next one is okay here dependent information. In a UI, okay, in a UI, I'm entering okay dependent name, okay dependent age, okay dependent age, dependent location, and relationship. Sir, here I have a one button add dependent. Here I have one button. When I'm going to enter here, okay, when I'm going to enter here need to display the list of dependents. Here I need to display. See, if I am enter one dependent, okay, if I click on this button, now I want to copy here. Again, I'm going to enter one more dependent. If I click on this button, again I want to copy here. Okay, again, if I enter some more dependent details, if I click on this button, okay, if I click on, okay, I need to show here dependent details, list of dependent details, list of dependent details. Only few examples will discuss today. Okay, now next one is okay. Okay. Okay, how to show error messages. Sir, by using data transform, how to show error messages in a property level. Okay, how to show error message in a property level. Okay, by using data transforms. How to show error messages in a page level. Okay, these are the things we'll discuss. Okay, how to show error messages in a property level, how to show error messages in a page level. We'll discuss some reusable thing also. Now we will get to know some additional points we will get to know now today. Okay, not only this example, some of the important observations you will get to know today. Sir, first we'll create properties. Already bank name or loan processing, those properties are available. Okay, I will open bank name property. Okay, open a case type. We'll display here. Okay, whatever properties are available, we'll use those okay, properties. Bank name. For bank name, when he is going to enter the bank name, approval loan amount, rate of interest, even all the details also. You can think that all the details also. Okay, if you want to process, we can, okay, in case if you want to display all the details also, we will display it. Okay, processing fees. Like that, I'm creating one more property, processing fee. Processing fees. Okay, now we'll create a data transfer. Now I'm creating a data transfer. I'm creating a data transfer. Okay, set loan details. Okay, give some name. Set loan details. Now click on create and open. Click on create and open. Yesterday we discussed about all these examples and all okay, these examples we discussed, and one more, even previously buttons also I didn't discuss, right? Buttons. Okay, what we will do is one more example. Okay, after completion of this example, okay, yesterday I think home loan point of view, at that time I told that you can ignore about okay buttons. We'll discuss about buttons in the coming classes, like that I told. Okay, button, one example we'll discuss about buttons. Okay, some reusable way how we will implement. Here you can see, okay, these are the actions are available. Now we will discuss these 3 days. We'll discuss how we will use this okay functions, how we will use these actions. Okay, see, now in the first scenario based upon the bank name, okay, automatically I want to set some values. Okay, automatically now I want to set these values. Now see here, okay, either you can create a vendor role or else you can write expression, either of the one. Okay, how we will see, if you work here, either you can create call the vendor role or else you can write expression. Okay, now see here, bank name. Now I'm giving like a bank name equal to okay, HDFC. Bank name equal to HDFC. Now what are the values? Now you want to set rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest 13%. Okay, 13%. Next one is rate of interest 30%, and approved loan amount. Okay, approved loan amount. Okay, 25 lakhs, and processing fees. Okay, 2%. Okay, 2%. Next one is total EMIs. Okay, total EMIs 24. 60 EMIs. Okay, 60 EMIs per month EMI. Okay, 34,000. Okay, these are the default, these are the values. Now I want to set when he is going to select the bank name equal to, okay, HDFC. In case some different bank at that time, okay, means now I need to add a multiple conditions, multiple when condition. This is the one when condition. Okay, yesterday even this one also I forgot. In a activity we have an option to add steps. Whenever you want to add steps, wherever you want to add steps, after or before, just you can click on this step, right? Step one. In the step one, click, and then you can click on this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. Even same expand and collapse also same only. Click on this plus icon. Sir, in case you want to add above second step, one more step, above second step, one more step. At that time, either you can click like that, or else just you can mouse over. You can see the arrow symbols. Right click above. Okay, add sibling above means it will add above. Okay, now here below, it will add below that particular step, whatever step you are selecting. So now here, in case you want to copy same step data. See, you can copy or cut. I'm going to copy. At that time, now you want to paste. You can click on paste. Paste above or else below or else in that particular step you can paste. Now I want to paste here. Sir, now here okay, see when condition, otherwise when, yes, SBI. Again, I want to check one more when condition, paste. Otherwise, ICICI, paste. Barclays. Sir, other than any bank. Now again you can select this one. Otherwise, other than any bank. Other than any bank. Paste. Okay, now you can select the otherwise. You can select the otherwise. Sir, here the different combinations. When, otherwise when, and otherwise. See, if this condition is satisfied, it will execute this logic. If this condition is satisfied, it will execute this logic. Okay, this logic. Now I'm going to set some different data. Okay, I'm going to set some different data.
Arjun, you have copy and pasted below, right? The
Yes,
data.
yes. So I'm calculating 60.6, right?
No, in actions, you have copy and pasted the columns. Simply we have to do.
Yes, that's it, bro. Okay, 1 minute. See, simply just you can copy and then you can paste. In case if you want to copy above this step, again click this one and then click on above paste.
Okay.
Either you can click, you can use this one also. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now see, I'm going to select paste above. See, now see here it is pasted. So now in case if you don't want to execute this one in activities, we can see like a two forward slashes. So here also, in case if you want to disable, select this one and then you can disable. Disable means you are commenting. It will not execute this step. Okay, it will not execute this step. Step number two, it will not execute. Again, in case if you want to enable, you can just again you can enable like that. Okay, na? Again you can enable. Okay, now see, we'll set the values all.
Arjun, I have a small query. Like we can't directly add otherwise when, right? Like before when
Without
condition should be
without when
there.
condition, we cannot add otherwise when and otherwise.
Okay, it's mandatory before the step when, right?
What, bro?
Like when condition is mandatory to add other when or
Yes, yes,
otherwise,
yes,
right?
yes, bro.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, yesterday I told that, okay, theoretical I told, right? Okay, Otherwise when we cannot use directly, even otherwise also we cannot use directly. With when condition, with this combination, either when and otherwise or else when and otherwise. Even when you are using when and otherwise, it's not mandatory to use otherwise. Okay, without these when you cannot use otherwise when and otherwise. You can set remaining values also. Now where you are going to call, where you are going to call this one,
The section.
where you are
Section.
going to call this activity.
Section.
Okay.
In section where user is clicking on
In
any line.
section we have a action tab. We will call this data transfer. Correct.
Okay, in a section, come on.
In section we have a
Bank
action.
name.
In that action we will call
In,
this data transform.
Yes, yes.
no, in
Sir,
section
where do
where
you,
we choose the bank name.
okay, yes. Go to the
Also the bank name
section.
property.
Yes, go to the section, select this property, click this one. Click this one and again go to the actions and click on action set. Okay, this is the property, right? On change. On change. Okay. Add action and refresh. Add action, refresh. Now you can call activity. Okay, set loan details. Click on submit. Okay, click on submit. Now again, okay, go to that screen. Okay, directly say I'm using this local action, change local action. Okay, change stage local action. Directly I'm going to approval screen. Okay, here you can say. See, in case if I'm going to enter, okay, Barclays. Okay, now I can see here. Okay, if I enter SBI, in case other than any bank, access. Okay, default value. Default value means this one. Okay, default value 11, 20,000, 4. Okay, if I enter HDFC, okay, first condition. Okay, this is the way to use the different okay, these combinations. When, okay, otherwise when. Okay, whenever you want to check,
Arjun, now directly we have write the logic in this data transform, right?
yes,
Otherwise, we want to create a when rule separately.
no need to create a when rule separately. Here itself we can write the expression.
No, if we
Arjun,
want to
can
create,
you
we want to create in when rule.
Okay, I will show you. Okay, how we will create. Okay, how we can call that one. Next example, I will show you. Okay. Okay, this one without creating when rule, we can write a expression, and okay, basically if this condition is satisfied, it is executing this one, and then it is setting. And again, when I'm going to, if I enter this one, it will execute this step. Okay, this condition will false. Okay, it will check this condition, and then it will set the data. If this condition is false, how behavior it will work, right? See, if this condition is satisfied, whether it will check these conditions in
No,
general.
no, sir, no.
No, no. Okay, no. First it will execute this one and then that's it. Okay, otherwise this condition also when it will execute, if this condition is satisfied, it will set the values like that. Okay, in case any requirement, if you are getting like multiple condition, when conditions you want to check and then you want to set some values at that time, you can write a logic like that. When you can check this one, after that otherwise when, otherwise when, otherwise when, otherwise like that. Clear?
Sir, we can keep all actions when only, sir. It's easy. It is also working, right? We can keep all when and the last one. Otherwise, also it will work.
Yes. How will you the last one, how you will use
Means
when?
the four actions when and otherwise. Means if we enter these four names, it will display all the data. Otherwise, it will go for the last.
Whether it is the correct way. See, you
No.
are checking with this property only, right, bro? With this, see, if it is some different when condition, different property, okay, you can use. Okay, but always you are checking with these
Yes.
combinations. Means when
Got
you
it. Got
will
it.
use.
Yeah.
Okay. See, again,
Yeah.
he is telling that it will work even when also. And remember, even it will work when also. You can think about best practice point of view. Now, just it will work only. But how behavior it looks like for example same property value you are checking same property all the conditions, okay, what it will do is it will behave like a separate, right? Separate condition. Now you want to check with these combinations, same combinations with different values. At the time it's better to use otherwise when. Okay, otherwise when. Okay, now simple. Okay, how we use when otherwise. Okay, now where we called, sir, on changing the bank name, at that time it is setting a values. Okay, fine. Next one is, okay, I forgot. Okay, we'll explain about this one. Buttons, sir. Previously, home loan, when you are practicing a home loan, you can see the different buttons.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
I'm having a question here. The data that was auto-populated over here.
Hmm.
So can we edit those data or not?
Yes, we can edit, bro. Now we can edit and then you can submit. So this is the final value.
Okay, okay, got
Okay, in case if you don't want to edit, if you don't want to give any option to edit, go here and then we can set the conditions here. Select this property and go to the presentation. In case if you don't want to give any option to edit, go to the presentation and select read only expression, and then here you can give, okay, bank name equal to bank name not equal to, okay, null, not equal to null. Okay, now I'm giving this with this condition. Okay, I'm giving only with this property. Now I'm giving here, you can enter SBI. See whether you are able to okay, modify.
No, I can't.
Now okay, now like that also we can do.
Arjun, one more requirement in this. See, instead of adding that bank name manually, we can add the drop downs also, right? So if we want to add the drop downs, we need
Yes,
to
yes,
modify the properties.
yes, bro. Yes, we can
Uh,
create a drop down property. From the drop down you can select the values.
select the value on select of value.
Select the bank
Rate of
name.
interest, processing fee, and EMI will populate
Yes,
automatically, right?
yes.
Okay.
See, these things even we can fetch these values from the DB also. As of now, you don't know about a database, right?
No.
Okay, I'm implementing like that. In the coming days, for example, I have a table, loan table is available. Okay, if okay, when okay, manager is going to enter bank name or else some different bank name, at that time, automatically now I want to get these values from table. We can fetch
Okay.
So if
dynamically
we're
from
using database concepts, we are going to use database to fetch the drop down values. And the same database can be used in data transform also
Yes,
if it
yes,
has parameters.
yes, yes.
So same database can be used for showing the drop down values, and at the same time for setting the values also same database can be used.
How we will use like that same data transform?
Now data transform. See, first the bank name. I want
How
it let it
how we will
drop down.
use same data transform, same database under this bank
See,
name drop down and to fetch these values? It's not possible, right? See here,
if
here you need to get the list of values. Here
yes,
only one value,
set values.
only one value.
Yes, yes,
We cannot use the same database name. Okay,
yeah.
okay, we
So it
cannot
will be
use.
different data pages. So for the first field, if it is a drop down, we use one database just to show the list of the bank names,
Hmm.
and then another data page to set the value. Here the other values.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, clear. Okay. Sir, next example. Okay, I forgot. Okay, now go to the case type. Here, sir, okay, home loan example, you will practice it, right? Now I'm going to open this one, open this section, configure view, open a section.
Arjun,
Yes.
if I write a wrong bank name there,
Hmm.
so the remaining fields what they showing?
Okay, like that also we can do. Okay, bank name. Okay, fine. Sir, in case if you enter some wrong bank name, I want to show the error message. Okay, anyway, now you ask it, right? See, by using data transform, how to show error messages in a property level. In case if you enter wrong bank name at that time, I want to show the error message. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a one when condition now. Okay, now I will show how to show the error messages in a property level. I'm creating a when condition now. Okay, I'm creating a when condition now. Create a when condition. Okay, check bank name. Okay, check bank name and click on create and open. Click on create and open. Now go to the advanced tab. Here, first one is bank name. See, bank name is not equal to null. Okay, this is the one thing. Second one is second conditions. Bank name equal to okay, HDFC. Three, bank name equal to SBI. 4, bank name equal to Barclays. Bank name equal to ICICI. Sir, now here you can configure how many banks you want to validate. Okay. Hello.
Okay, yes.
Sir, now how many banks now you want to validate? You can mention the list of bank names here.
No, no.
Okay. Hmm.
In that section, you are writing Access Bank. First, you are write HDFC Bank. The property value is populated, like rate of interest, other. After that, you will write you are writing the Access Bank. But the same property values that for HDFC they are showing same. When I writing Access Bank, but I don't fill any data for Access Bank. That time the property value need to delete or erase.
Why? Here, what is the condition? Other than these banks, other than these banks, what is the value you are setting? Otherwise means okay, other than HDFC, other than SBI, other than ICICI, other than Barclays, it will set all the banks, whatever bank name you are entering. Even a wrong bank name, if you are entering also, it will set this data.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
so if I wrong, if I write a wrong bank details, it will show the same data.
same data. See, otherwise condition. It will execute otherwise condition and then it will set the data.
Okay.
Okay, in case if you don't want, now you can configure all the bank names here. Okay, all the bank names here. Now we will configure here. Now I'm setting. In case you don't want to allow to enter some wrong bank name. Okay, you don't want to allow to enter some wrong bank name. Now you can enter here. Okay, na?
Yes.
Sir, now here like that, sir, multiple conditions. Whatever bank names now you want to evaluate, you can, okay, you can add a conditions here. Now you can see here one under. Sir, here now you can, okay, you can enter here one under, two or three or four or five or six or seven or eight. Okay, na? Sir, you can add multiple. Sir, in case future they want to include one more bank, they can include one more bank also here. Okay, now they want to include one more bank, 9, and click this one, select this one, and here you can enter SCB. Okay, SCB. Okay, 10, bank name. Okay, bank name. Okay, BOA. BOA. Now you can add or 9 or 10. Click on save. Sir, you can add okay, whatever banks you want to evaluate. You can other than these banks. Now you want to show the error message. Okay, you can observe here. Add message to property. In case if you want to show the error messages. Okay, in case if you want to show the error messages with the data transform. Okay, this is the activity we will use. Okay. Okay, if you want to show error messages in a property level by using data transform, if you want to show the error messages in a property level, then we will use property hyphen px add message to property Pega OOTB activity. Sir, we need to pass. Okay, we need to pass. Sir, property name. What property level now you want to show the error message? Property name and then message name. Okay, these are the mandatory parameters you need to pass, and message name. Message name. Okay, these are the two parameters you need to pass. Okay, sir, these are the two parameters you need to pass to this activity and this activity. Sir, how we will call activity in a data transform? How we will call activity in a data transform?
PX
PX
execute
PX
active.
execute an
PX,
activity.
PX
Activity.
execute an activity. Go here. Now I'm
Execute.
adding before evaluating here. Now I'm adding here. Now, okay, see, add a condition. Add a condition when now you can call here whatever you created the when condition. Sir, now here this when condition is true, then I don't want to show any error message. I don't want to show any error messages. Otherwise, I want to show the error messages. Okay, means you can include all these within the when condition and vice versa. Okay, vice versa also. Now you can give the not equal. I'm giving a not equal. Is it fine, right, everyone? Hello? See, not equal
Yes.
means how it will behave.
Yes.
Not equal. I gave like a not equal. Okay. See, if this when condition is going to give true, final value, what it will
False.
be? False. Okay. Sir, now here what we are doing is, in case this when condition is going to return a true, it will, okay, we are checking that it should be false. We are setting like a false value. Okay, and now you want to set the error messages. Okay, in a property level, right? Param dot, see, same parameters you need to pass. Okay, next one, param dot message name. Sir, now you want to show the error messages in a property level. Now go here, double colon, and then whatever property level you want to show the error messages, give the double colon and with dot symbol. Give the double colon and with dot symbol. Go here, double colon. What property level you want to show the error message? Give the dot. If it is not populating without spelling mistake, you can you can enter the property name with the dot symbol, and remember to double colon dot bank name, like that. What error message now you want to show? Please enter a valid bank name. Okay, bank name. Okay, this is the error message now I want to show.
Can we
Okay.
use the function directly? Px add messages to page.
One by one I will discuss. And like, what is my requirement now? What is my requirement? Hello?
Yes, error messages in a property level.
Property. Are you going to use the add message to page?
Okay, property. Okay, okay.
Okay, now here you can click this one, param dot call activity. Param dot call activity. Sir, here you can give any name, any parameter in it. See, param dot any any name. Sorry, xyz also. Param dot xyz. Here you are, okay. First I will remove this one. Sir, how we will call this activity? Okay, this is the activity now you want to call into your data transform. Go here, click on this gear icon. Okay, how we will access the functions? Okay, whenever you want to call the functions in your rule, not only data transform, any rule, and wherever you are able to see this gear icon, so many functions are available. Okay, depends on the requirement, we will use that functions. At that time I will explain, okay, about functions. Now go to the click on gear icon, click on browse, and then you can type minimum characters. If you know the function, type minimum characters. Okay, pxe, like that I'm entering. Now here you can see px execute an activity. Okay, this activity is expecting a two parameters. One is the clipboard page. See, again here you can see boolean. It will, boolean means signature. You can see like here signature means syntax. Boolean, it will return true or false, that's it. And again, okay, px execute an activity is the function, and it is expecting two parameters: clipboard page, clipboard page primary, clipboard page primary page, and comma string activity name. There are two parameters it is expecting. One is the clipboard page, other one is the activity name. What page level you want to show this error messages? Okay, sir, I want to show this error messages in a property level. Okay, primary page means my py work page level. Now you can click on this one. If you click on this plus icon, automatically it will come here. You can give primary. If you are giving it will consider py work page only, comma, and what is the activity name, comma, activity name. You can give the activity name. Sir, this function it is expecting two parameters. Now I'm calling, okay, this is the Pega OOTB activity I called in a data transform. Okay, example. Okay, sir, when you are adding a functions into in our rule, at that time automatically it will add at the rate symbol, remember. Sir, now here you can give any name. Okay, any name, param dot call activity, or else activity. You can give any name, and you can give any name, it will not return anything. Okay, so it will execute this one. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, form that activity. Okay, fine. Click on save. Okay, so now I'm going to show the error message. What happened? Okay,
Where we are setting this property reference one.
I think you not give dot or something.
no, it's not required here.
Okay,
See
okay.
here, now property reference is here, double colon dot bank name. Okay, double colon dot bank name. Okay, this is the property reference. I want to show the error message in this property level. Okay, na?
Okay, so that property, I mean, a reference is py reference, right? I mean, that bank name is that one, right? You are using.
Yes,
Can you
bank
can you
name.
please can you please go to that activity data transformers? Okay, where we are referring this property reference one? Are we referring somewhere?
This is the activity. Okay, to show the error message. This activity is expecting two parameters. What are the parameters it is expecting? Theoretically we discussed
Okay.
3 days back, right? How to pass the parameters to your
Yes. Yes.
activity. Okay, sir, before calling this activity by using property set method, we can set the parameter values. Same thing. Okay, I'm calling this activity by using this function. Okay, na? First point one. Sir, before executing this one, okay, to execute this activity, we need to pass two parameters: param dot property reference, param dot message name. Param dot property reference means, okay, what property level you want to show the error message. Now you need to give the syntax like double colon dot property name, and property dot message means, okay, now you can show whatever error messages you want to show. Okay, you can enter.
Okay. So, Arjun, just a small doubt here. Can't we set directly like in a proper param dot message name? Can't we set directly that property? I mean, dot bank name and the error message along with the same one. I mean,
How
in a
is it?
same message name, can't we make a bank name and that message as well?
What, see, whatever you are enter bank name you want to refer here also.
Yeah, yeah. I want to like put this property into this message name as well, along with the message.
Yes,
Is it
we
possible?
can.
Can we do
Yes,
that?
yes. Sir,
Yes.
please
Okay.
enter
Okay.
valid message. Please enter valid bank name. Okay, in case now you want bank name also,
Yes. Correct.
you can type. Sir, give the, see, full name equal to first name plus last name, like that we discussed it, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Exactly.
same
Yeah.
like that. Okay, give the space plus other than. Okay, other than this bank name. Okay, now I'm giving like that. Okay, na? Fine, right
Yep.
now.
Yep. Yep. Thank you.
Sir, sir, we can refer the property values in a error messages also. And please enter. Okay, please enter. Okay, see, please enter. Enter valid bank name other than this bank. Okay, this bank name, current bank name. Or okay, fine. Click on save. Sir, click on save. Now observe here. Okay, now you can tell me. See, if this step is executing, is it required to execute remaining steps? In case if we execute this step, is it required to execute remaining steps?
No.
No,
No.
no.
Okay, sir. Okay, we will. Okay, we will not. What we will do is, okay. As of now, I'm not going to add anything. We'll check now, sir. Here, okay. Again, I need to change my when condition. What I will do is, here itself, I will write. Okay, again, I'm giving one more colon. You can give the not equal symbol. Even here also you can give. Fine. Okay, now go here. Okay, how it will check now? Observe. Okay, now how it will evaluate capital 1. Okay, sir, now that name also now it is showing, right? Capital 1, whatever name or whatever bank name now I am entering. Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now it is sir, but observe here, it is showing the error message, but still it is evaluating below steps also. Agree? So do you want to execute these steps? The step executed, after that it is executing this one, executing this one, executing this one, executing this one, executing this one. Is it required to execute in case if this when condition is true?
No.
No, not
Ah,
needed.
for yesterday theoretically we discussed. Now then tell me how we will do now.
Exit
Exit
data transfer.
data transfer.
Exit.
Data transfer.
Exit data
Exit
transfer.
Once it is true, then we need to exit from that. Yeah.
Sir, in within this step itself, now we can use the exit data transform. Now you know how to use when to use this one. Okay, now sir, within this step itself, now go here again. You can enter. Okay, bank HDFC. Okay, now it's fine, right? SBI. Okay, again. Okay, 1 minute. SBI. Okay, fine. Valid one. Fine. In case if I enter small one, now it is not allowing. Okay, fine. Sir, okay. These are the previous results, right? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, these are the previous results. Sir, now I want to clear. In case if there is some error message, okay, I want to clear. Same example again. Okay, we will discuss about one more action also. Come on. I want to
Below.
clear.
Remove the page.
And the
We'll
property
remove.
value
Okay,
comes
where we can
in.
add those. Okay, where we can add. Hmm.
Before
Where
exit.
we can add remove action.
The
Stopping or the data
transaction.
transfer.
Before exiting
Stopping.
Huh?
First step.
Prior to exit.
Otherwise, one.
Otherwise,
before exiting an activity.
When.
okay, before
Otherwise,
executing an
when.
activity. Sir, in
Exit.
case if there, okay, here itself only before exit, okay, before exiting the activity, in case if is there, you can check if is there any value. Again, you can check the when condition also. Okay, blindly, what I'm doing is I'm going to clear. Okay, bank name equal to either you can set. Okay, now I'm removing those property values. Okay, approved. In case if is there any value is available, okay, I'm removing like that. Sir, either you can do like that or else you can use this set and then rate of interest equal to null. You can set null value. Okay, like processing fees. Okay, that's it, right? Four values. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'm entering here HDFC. Fine. Okay, now you can enter. Okay, Sainsbury. Okay, see now per month EMI I didn't add here. Okay, fine, right? How to show the error messages in a property level now? Everyone?
Arjun, can we use
Yeah.
property message as well, right? Here to show error
Now,
message.
now how you are writing a logic? Okay, where you are writing a logic? In a data transform, right? In a data transform, now you are writing a logic. How we will use property set messages here? You cannot use right property set messages. In case
In
if you
activity.
in case if you write this logic in activity, at that time you can use. Okay. In case if you use this same logic, if you're writing in a data in a activity, at that time you can use. Now you know the data transform. Why we will create activities? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
HU చేయొచ్చండి.
Thanks.
HU చేయొచ్చు. Okay, we can create and then you can set up. Previously we discussed it, right? A similar way. Okay. HU చేయొచ్చు మీరు సేమ్ ఇదే లాజిక్ అక్కడ రాసేసి ప్రాపర్టీ సెట్ పెట్టేసండి. Okay, now it's not required. You are thinking, sir, I will create one activity by using property set method and then I will call that activity here. Already one activity is available. Again, no need to call that activity here. Okay. Sir, next one. Okay, next example. Sir, previously home loan example. Okay, home loan example. Okay, 1 minute. Now we can practice. Okay, home loan example. Go to the assignments. Sir, home loan examples, at that time I told that you don't know about buttons. As of now, you can implement okay, like a drop down or radio button like that I told. Sir, now here you can see, if I click, see these both are selected. Both are selected. If I'm going to click this one, you can see some different data. When I'm going to click this one, you can see some different data. When I'm going to click this one, you can see some different data. So when I'm going to click on this one, I can see some different data. Okay, same one. Okay, now okay, I will explain now. Here I'm going to take 3 buttons. Here now I'm going to take 3 buttons. Educational information. Okay, now you can add a buttons. Go to the actions and then you can add a button. Okay, this one is school. Okay, this one is college. College. Okay, this one is the university. University. Sir, now go to the UI, create a case. Create a case. Now what is my requirement is, okay, enter some data here. Click on submit. You can enter here. Okay, select this one. Are you working employee? Then it will go to the employee info and income info. Okay, go here. Okay, now here. After that, you can see the educational information. Okay, click on submit. Okay, here. Sir, now here you can see school information, college information, and university information. University information. Sir, in case, okay, if when I'm going to say similar here, when I'm going to click this button, I can see some different information. When I'm going to click this one, I can see some different information. Now here, same way. Click on only click on school, then only now I want to show this one. Remaining things I don't want to show. Okay, when I'm going to click on college, at that time I want to show only college only. In case if I'm going to click on university, at that time now I want to show only university only. Okay, clear everyone? Sir, now how we will do this one? Now I'm going to create one property. Okay, I'm going to create one property like a qualification. Okay, qualification. Sir, qualification type. Now I'm creating one normal property. Okay, already qualification type is available. Okay, we'll open that property, qualification. Okay, where you are using qualification, this one. Okay, fine. I will create one more qualification like that. Okay, this one, qualification like that. I created one property. Okay, sir, now I'm creating one data transform, creating a data transform, and now I'm creating one data transform. Okay, this is the, okay, get qualification, get qualification type. Okay, here now you can, I'm declaring one parameter. Okay, type, I'm declaring one parameter like a type. Now go here, is the mandatory parameter. Now it's not, is the mandatory parameter. Go here. Okay, set qualification equal to param dot, okay, param dot, okay, type, param dot type. Qualification equal to param dot type. Okay, param dot type. Now we can observe one that get qualification type. Sir, where we will call this one? This one. Go to the section. Go to the section. Now select this button. Select this button. Go to the actions. Now I'm calling, when user is going to click on school, at that time click buttons is the click event we will add, and then you can refresh the section, call the data transform here. So whatever you created the data transform, you can call here. Immediately it will ask parameter. Sir, immediately it will ask parameter. Now I am passing a parameter. Okay, I am passing a parameter like a school. Okay, this is the parameter now I am passing. Okay, this value it will set to what property? This property, right? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Sir, whatever value now I am setting here, it will pass here. Okay. Same data transform. Again, now I am going to call here. Okay, again I am going to call here. Okay, click, add, okay, refresh the section. Now you can call your data transform. Okay, data transform. Now again you can set college. Any name, and not only college name, any. Okay, any name you can give. That is the one flag like that you can think. Sir, button name, whatever button name is available, same name you are, is it required to give? No, you can give any name. Okay, that is my flag. Based upon that flag, okay, I will set. Okay, I will display this school name, university. Okay, university. Okay, click this one. Sir, it will, when you are going to click this one, it will call my data transform, and then it will set the value. Okay, this is my property. Now go to the section, select this layout, now I'm going to call when condition here, okay, expression, click this one. Okay, equal to school, and click on submit. Okay, when you are going to click on a button, it will set some value to this property. Based upon that value, now I am checking if this property contains a school, then you can display this layout. And okay, same here also, select this one, click on this gear icon, equal to college, equal to university. Okay, go to the UI. Okay, now you can see these are the three buttons. When I'm going to click on this one, I can see this one, same, okay, whatever example I gave, If when I'm going to click this one, I can see this one. When I'm going to click this one, now I can see. So now you can implement with these two combinations. Okay, with this one and this one, some different data. With this one and this one, some different data. With this one and this one, some different data. Okay, I didn't create multiple data transforms. Only one data transform I created, and then I'm setting a value. Okay, clear? This one also. Okay, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, next one, next example. Okay, next example. Okay. Sir, this one is
May I
yes,
ask you one question?
yes.
We can set the same logic in data transform also.
Data transform only I created.
Yeah, you created one data transform here. So you added the parameters also. So after adding some steps below, we can add the same logic instead of set. If we use when qualification equal to something like that.
What you will use when qualification equal to?
You have in action you have added set is equal to qualification.
Ah,
And there you have added in section you have added the
mm,
condition expression when.
mm, mm.
So we can add the steps over here also. When condition, we can use when condition in data transform also here
On
itself.
what basis you will add a when condition? Buttons we don't have any property right here as of now.
Any
But
values in the properties.
okay, when
So just to
condition when we
display
will use.
the layout.
When condition when we will use, sir, whether this button is mapped to any property. Hello,
Okay.
okay, whether this okay when button mapped to any property? No, right?
Uh,
This is just like a label. That's it.
okay.
It is not contains anyone. In case if this button is mapped to some property, then you can use
Okay.
when conditions.
Yes.
You can't, by this way, you can't pass school to the qualification type.
This like just like a label only.
Yeah, correct.
Hmm. Okay, na? Okay, next
Yes.
So
one.
can you go
Yes.
to what is the property that is storing all these values? School, college, university,
College qualification property.
Qualification type.
qualification
Yeah,
property. Okay.
qualification.
So where is this type coming? Parameter.
Okay, this okay when I'm calling this DT in a section. Okay, here now I'm calling. Okay.
So on that particular button.
Yes. Okay. Now when you are going to click on this button, immediately I'm setting this value. Based okay when I'm setting this value, this type value, it will pass to this parameter, and then it will set to this qualification property.
Okay, you're not using any property. You're just using that parameter for this data transform, and you're setting there.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I thought you were using the property for those three radio buttons.
No, no, no. It's not required. Right? Why we want to create a three properties?
Okay.
In case if we create a three properties, then whatever NJ told, we can add a multiple when conditions, and then we can do.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Can you go back to that section once?
Okay.
So can you minimize close this cell properties? I want to see these. These are three separate radio but three
Yes.
separate buttons, not radio buttons,
Yes.
separate buttons. That's it.
Yes. Yes.
No properties. So you're calling the data transform on all these three buttons?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
On click everywhere I'm calling, and then I'm passing the parameter.
okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Next example, and okay, next example. I'm going to close all. Sir, this is the common example. Okay, I think you people okay, observed even in YouTube's also. You can see this type of common message, common example by using data transforms, right? Okay, sir, current address, billing address. Even when you are filling online application form, also this is the common one. Sir, some reusable way how we will do this one, we'll discuss now. You will get some more points also. Okay, please observe the points. Main example point of view. Okay, fine. Okay, you want to copy the data, but some of the points you will get to know. Please observe those points. Okay, sir. First time, what I am doing is now you can think that some reusable way, sir. Okay, what we will do, we will create a properties address line one up to now properties where I created my work class. I created all the properties. I told that you can ignore about best practices. Okay, best practices. You should know about the concept. If you know the concept, automatically you will get to know best practices. Automatically you will get to know best practices. We will cover or like at that time. Okay, instead of this one we will use this one. This is the way to create a properties. Previously I created all the properties in our my work class, means my case type class, but in a real time point of view whether we will do like that, no. So now how we will do this one, sir? Any project and any project, okay, any project, if you observe, address is the common or not? Come on, address is the common or not? Any Pega application, address, to collect the address is the common, right? Address line 1, address line 2, and address line 3, state 2, country name and postcode. Okay, these are the common or not? Any application. Come on, sir. At that time, are you going to create, please, okay, okay, you people try to understand, not like example, some reusable, why we are doing, reason you should know. Sir, now you can think that, okay, whether if I create this address line 1, address lines 2, okay, address line 3, these properties here, is there any reusable? Hello, is there any reusable? Come on.
No.
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 No, sir.
No, so some others are not only this implementation application. In this implementation application itself, we have a different case types. Sir, you cannot reuse. Even BC Barclays organization, they have some different organization. They cannot also use this your address. Okay, now see here. Now we'll discuss. Today's class we are discussing about data type. Sir, data type will act as a class. Data type will act as a table. And remember, this is the point now I'm going to write. Data type will act as a class. We can use data type as a class or database table. Okay, now everyone, data type we can use as a class or database table. Okay, remember this point. Sir, now today's class, okay, now I'm using data type as a class. Okay, here now I'm adding a. Sir, now I'm adding, see, it's not address is the part of your work, okay, part of your BC application. Come on, address is the part of your BC application. Come on, address is the part of your BC application. Now, right now, come on, Japan and now see, why you are doing this one? Like, see, you know example. Everyone knows this example. Okay, now whatever process I'm doing, you should know why he is doing like that. Okay, fine. Now I'm giving address. Here you can see even previous class also. Okay, previous means almost class 2 we discussed. Sir, every layer you can see the data classes. Sir, now when you are defining any data type, okay, when you are defining any data class, not data type, any class, and sir, how we will define? Some reusable way, right? Come on, some reusable way or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But now you can decide. Now you can decide. For example, if I have in Barclays, if you have multiple implementation applications. Now, how we will define, bro? Sir, you can define either address like that. You can define. Sir, if you are define like that, you can reuse this data type. This data class means data class. Data class. You can reuse wherever you want, whatever application you want. Agree?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on. wherever
Yes,
you
sir.
want. Okay, now you can decide this one also simply blindly. We will not create in real time point of view. When you are doing this one, when you are implementing this one, you need to review with your okay LSA or else senior experienced people. Senior experience way. What is the structure need to follow? Or else you can check existing one. Or else you can check existing one, open existing one, and then check what is the structure. Okay, we are following. What is the structure we are following? Okay, when you are doing this one, simply we will create a data type only, right, bro? What is this one? No, it's not like that. When you are configuring any data types, need to check whether a reusable way we need to configure it. Reusable way we need to configure. So now here you can see when I added a data type, automatically it is creating one class BC hyphen bank hyphen card hyphen BC loan hyphen data hyphen address. Okay, now if I create like that, okay, if I create like that, now you can see here BC hyphen data. Now I'm using this one. Sir, BC hyphen data hyphen address. Okay, now see, what is the rule set you will select? Come on, what is the rule set you will select?
BC.
Organization.
Okay, see,
This.
example is simple only, but okay, you need to understand. Okay, sir, are you going to see if I select my this is BC loan is my implementation application rule set. My implementation application rule set. What is the rule set you will select now?
BC.
BC. Sir, if you configure like that, then everyone can use and sorry, okay, even I gave this structure. Okay, if I give like that, whether other application people will use your data type, whether
No.
application other
No.
no. Why? Because your
No.
rule set is specific to your application.
Implement. Our implementation.
Okay. See, you need to
Sir,
consider all.
but here we are defining in BC on parent class, right? BC data.
Uh,
But if we keep rule set as BC loan,
uh.
so why can't they access, sir? It is presenting parent only, right? BC. We are creating that address in parent class.
Okay.
I did not get here. Like normally in parent class, that is in BC, we are creating a data type.
Okay.
Uh, and here,
Implement.
if we
Okay. Okay. This is the loan insurance application. This is the okay insur okay low okay this insurance implementation application. This is the loan implementation application. Okay. Sir, now here every implementation application there is a separate rule set. Separate rule set. Sir, now are you going to add this application related rule set into in this application? Hello?
no,
No.
Sir,
No.
it will be available. Whether it will be available? No, right?
No, sir.
Now why we will not see why we will add here in this implementation application? Similar here also. Now you are creating a if this one this rule set is belongs to basic loan processing implementation application. Are you going to add this rule set also into different implementation application? Money?
sir, come to that example.
Uh, mm,
See, we have two implementation applications here, and below that we'll be having BC.
mm. Oh, see, if you are designing like that, yes, you can write. Hello? If you are designing on top of this implementation application, this loan application, you can reuse or not.
Not like that, sir.
Uh,
We have two implementation applications
mm,
like this. Below this we have a BC. I mean framework or any other.
okay.
This is,
Like that. Uh,
these two are side by side. Yes.
uh, uh,
Now this same, like we are creating a data type in BC, right?
mm,
Then it will be access to these two.
Oh, not BC, bro. Rule set is different. Rule set is different. Rule set. Rule set is different. You are even if you are creating here also. What rule set you are creating?
BC loan.
Sir, this rule set is okay. Okay, 1 minute. I will open. Okay, I will application stack. Open your application stack. Sir, are you going to simple? Are you going to add this rule set into your insurance application? Come on, simple question. Are you
No.
going to add this rule set into your insurance implementation application?
No.
Sir, this rule set contains what, bro? Specific to
BC loan.
specific to BC loan. See, now you are creating a rule in this class means you need to you are thinking that hey, these rules are belongs to this class, this application, and this application rule set only. Okay, you cannot, bro. Just you can try also. Okay, sir. Now I am creating a data type. Oh, again it will take half an hour. Okay, it's better to stop, right? We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, I think few of the people they need to
Yes.
attend the calls also, right, bro?
Yes.
Okay, okay. We'll continue
Uh,
tomorrow.
Arjun.
Well,
Yes,
sir. Uh,
yes, bro.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Then I ask.